guys, it's Brenda. Welcome back to another video on SugarPinkDIY. And as you can see, I decided to go back to the color theme that I had in my room. So as you can see, the background has like a garland with colorful pom-poms, but I also kept the white one because it has a lot of glitter and like some sparkling things on the pom-poms. As well, you can see that my bed has different colors, so like this rainbow pillow. And now on this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 ideas on how to decorate titles or how to make cute titles. And we're only going to use 6 markers, so basically these titles are super cheap and super easy to make since we're only using 6 markers. Plus I decided to use some colors that you are welcome to use on this Valentine's Day. So basically they're like pink, purple, and like darker pink. And so you can basically use them on your titles, on your school related activities, or just for Valentine's Day, and like love letters and whatever you want to use them for. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of my following videos. And now let's go on to the video.
Alrighty guys, so to start off, write your title using capital letters as well as make them a little thin but also a little bold, so basically in between, and leave a small space in between each letter. Also use 2 different colors to write it out, and using a third color, add a little and thin shadow. If you're drawing your shadow on the right side, make sure that every letter has the shadow on the right side. But if you're drawing your shadow on the left side, just make sure that every letter has a shadow on the left side. This way it will look super pretty. Lastly, using the same color, write the subtitle or the second part of the title using cursive letters. The second title is also one of my favorites, and I always use it on my tutoring assignments. Since every letter has a small curl at the end, everything looks super cute and super eye-catching. Plus, drawing curls is a great exercise to speed up your wrist, allowing kids to write even more fluently. And I know that this title looks super complicated, but it's not, it's super easy. Once you have the title written down, take a second color and divide the title or the word in half just like this. And using that same color, just color the bottom part of every letter to make it look even more prettier. As you can see, this title is for a human anatomy class, but just in case you want to write it in Spanish, it would be Anatomía Humana. Then just finish it off by writing anatomy using lowercase letters, as well as leaving a small space in between each letter and adding the final touch by drawing a small line on both ends. Our third title is for the word biology or biología in Spanish, but we're only going to use the word bio or bio to make it shorter. And we're also going to write it in cursive. Once your title is written down, use that same color to fill it in and make it look bolder. Then decorate this title with 3 small hearts. In this case, I decided to use light and dark pink as well as purple. And lastly, add some blue and lilac polka dots and do the same thing on the other end of the title. The fourth title is for the word social studies or estudios sociales in Spanish, although you can use any title or word that you prefer. Using capital letters, write the first part of the title just like this. And once you have it written down, just fill it in to make it bolder. For the second part of the title, write it down using cursive and make it almost the same size as the first part or as close as possible. So once you have it completely written down, use that same color to fill it in or make it even more bolder. And finally, use a darker color to rewrite the title and make it more attractive to look at. And honestly, this is my favorite part because I find it super relaxing. And here we have 2 ideas to write 2 different titles, or even combine both ideas to write one title just like we did in this case. And finally, for our 5th title, write down the word Spanish or español in Spanish if you want, and using capital letters, as well as make them a little bit thick to make them look even prettier. To give our letters a special touch, use a lilac marker to rewrite the word or the title Spanish, and using that same marker or color, add 3 small hearts on both ends of the title. And this decoration is one of my favorites and I almost always use it, but you can also use the circles or the drops that we have used in previous videos on this channel. And just in case you want to check out those title videos, I'll leave the link in the description box as well as on the right hand corner of this video. But as I always tell you guys, you can basically use any decorations that you prefer or that you like the most, as well as the decorations that are easier for you. And finish up your title or subtitle by writing the word language in lowercase and dividing each letter with a small dot in between. And there you have 5 ideas to write down your titles using 6 markers. Not only are they super cute, super easy, and super attractive, but they're also super cheap because we only use 6 markers. But if you don't have enough time to write them down or decorate them in class, you can always decorate them after class or when you get home, and once you have all the time you need to decorate your notes and your titles.
Alright guys, and this was it for today's idea. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of my following videos. And as I said in the video, I'll leave the link in the description box as well as in the right hand corner in case you want to go watch some other videos about titles and how to decorate your notes on this channel. So I'll just leave the link down in the description box and in the right hand corner. And now see you on the following video. Bye guys!